Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today was a decent day. We have NVIDIA earnings tomorrow, so I did expect some sort of um, not a big move essentially, right? I expected some sort of like that, right? Price would stay in some sort of range, right? So you can't say that today was a range day, but also that means it's equally as good for trading because it can give you confidence. It gives you strong support resistance levels. So that's why paired with the algos today can be a good day for people, right? To take like some few short trades, right? Um, and I'm gonna show you that in the 35 and the 1 minute, right? So AM, right? This was a possible good trade you see off of blue, right? Right here, left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder right here, right? And then you notice that we have that tapering orange, right? So you do have to protect um, here, and then scalp on the way down, right? Um, so it was pretty short trades today. I wasn't looking for anything big because the market does want to wait for tomorrow, the NVIDIA earnings, right? Um, so not too bad, not too good, right? Uh, so I just want to show you that in the 5 minute now, right? Shoot, right, right. We bounced off perfectly here, left shoulder, and then the right shoulder right here, right? And then even if you miss this trade, right, you could have taken, I believe, the trade uh, right here at 11:20, 11:28. So right here as well, right at the break. If you wanted to take a short scalp, right, could have taken it off this orange right here, right. This was a pretty good short trade, right, and then the complete of the tapering teal algo is here as well, right, and we didn't break below it at all today, right. We always bounced off of teal right here, right. Another good entry would have been um, from here as well, right, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder right here, right. Um, I did enter this trade, pretty good trade if you understood the market context. And then we closed this cup here, right? And then we just had no continuation structure right there. We are still in a bullish algo, right? Um, let me draw that algo for you guys so you guys can see, right? So we are still in that bullish algo. Um, the handle, right? So tomorrow we want to see some type of other. Tomorrow the earnings, it's gonna be at 3:30. So if you do, I do expect some more of a chop tomorrow at least, or if there's any type of leaks or anything. But the market is looking good, bullish right now. Um, but you want to wait for confirmations, of course, right? We have the left shoulder right here, liquidity, head. You could wait for the cup to close at 562, right? Some sort of handle right here, right? Um, and then white as well, right? And you could take the trade off of here, right? But let it build liquidity. The more liquidity it builds, the better, right? Because the orange is gonna be good resistance right here, right? And we wanna see the strong orange algo activating, right? And bringing us up to at least this high right here, right. This teal is going to be major resistance, right. So and then if we break out of this teal, right, then we can head towards this 565 levels right here, right. 564 levels, right. So you want to wait for some strong buying, and you want to wait for to the market to build liquidity. I believe we're gonna open up higher tomorrow, and then complete the cup, and then have the handle, and then later we might have a move. Um, but if we are headed down, guys, you should wait for a confirmation of sort, right? at least break right here, right, and then grab liquidity from here, right, and then eventually grab the liquidity from right here, right. So you want to wait for that. We have a still a pretty good ways down if we are headed down, and then we complete the inverse cup right here. Same algos right there, right. Um, right, you can take it at the break of right there, right. Um, it's pretty easy setups, right. But again, if you are headed up, um, just go trade with the structure, right. Tomorrow, see where we open, complete this cup, handle, right. Um, this teal is gonna be resistance, right, and then we're gonna reach up to this 563 level, complete this cup right here, right. Um, I believe we're gonna complete. We should taper around this yellow, and then have a drop, retracement, right. Grab the liquidity off of the 564 level right here, right, and then head higher, right. But wait for the cup to close. If you want to wait for more confirmation, right, you could wait till the cup closes at 564 right here, this level right here, wherever yellow is. I'm pretty sure the market will test yellow and then drop for the retracement, to keep going up, right. um, but yeah, so wait for that. And if you want to take trades from here, you just wait for the cup to close, handle, right, and then activate this strong um, buying orange shadow, right. So just wait for that. But again, today I'm gonna go over intraday trades as well, right. So like I said, you could have taken this trade if you understood the context, from the 30-minute, right. You notice that we have this left shoulder head, right shoulder, right. um, right, so that's gonna be at third, right, so that's gonna be over here actually. So if you understood this is the right shoulder, right, this was the head in the 30-minute, right, and this is the right shoulder, right. So if you understand the bounce, the first good entry would have been right here, off of here, left shoulder head, right shoulder microstructure right here, right. And the goal is for the cup to close right here, right. So the cup closes right here, then the rest of the PM we've been in just the handle algo in this purple, right. So this is the handle algo we've been in, right, controlled selling, right. And then we just ran out of leg room for today, right. There was no continuation, but the cup did complete. So tomorrow you want to wait for basically another cup to complete right here, then another handle, right, off of purple as well, right. So here, and then here, right, and then make highs, right, and then the resistance is gonna be teal as well as white right here, right. So look out for that if you are headed up, right. But again, as I showed you guys, if you wanna, you should always use the 30-minute to incorporate yourself in the 1 minute, right. So you can easily see how the head here is the same as the head you're seeing right here, right. Right here, right. So you can see how we tapered off of blue, right. This was the left shoulder liquidity head, right, and then we always need a right shoulder, right. So market moved up, right, on this blue, and then grab this right shoulder off of right here, give us this little move up. It wasn't much, it was like 1 point or less, right. And then you could have also taken a scalp short right here. I'm going to show you that here in the intraday, right. Possible short here was, which one did I take? I forgot. Oh, right here. Okay. So you notice how we're in this. Sorry, I'm just getting distracted because someone's calling. So annoying. Okay, so you notice how we're in this teal, right? So we have this left shoulder right here, right? Head. So we always enter on the right shoulders, okay, guys? I never personally, take it at the head, right? Always on the right shoulder, right? And then we got the right shoulder right here, right? With this double top right here, and then the break of yellow, which was a good, pretty short scalp, right? We didn't have that continuation down. We didn't have that strong selling, right? We tapered off of purple, so that does show that buyers are in control, right? So you have to be careful tomorrow, um, and just let the structure guide you. But to short this, like I said, you have to wait for key levels, right? You want to wait for at least the break of the red right here, right? And then break right here, right? In the 5 minute, I'm gonna show you that, right? So the first break would be right here, right? And then the second would be right here. And then close the inverse cup right here, right? So that's the play you should look for. Oh, that's the play you should look for. I'm gonna show that to you again because I just messed up, right? The first liquidity grab here, second liquidity grab here, inverse cup close, right? Same thing right here, liquidity grab, and then the cup closes right here, right? And then liquidity grab right there, right? So just look out for that. We have a long way to go down, so don't worry. Pretty long way. But see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.